Welcome to Neptune's Nook, one of our condos in Playa Rana. This is just 3 blocks from the beach. You'll see how close we are here in a minute. So once you enter the unit, you'll see our fully equipped kitchen for that midnight snack, or if you want to make a large dinner for your family, we have everything you need to do so. Laundry facilities are included in the kitchen as well. Then we walk into our living room. So we have smart TVs. If you want to log into your Netflix, make sure you catch up on that show that you were in the middle of on the way during your travel. Leading right into the dining room area here. So no matter what activities you guys are doing between the dining room, kitchen, and living room, you all can be tied together. We have extra seating as well. Don't forget that we have this private balcony if you want to enjoy your morning cup of coffee. And you can catch glimpses of the ocean. That's how close we are. There it is. Moving on into our tour. We have the hall bathroom here, so this is perfect for the guest bedroom we'll see here in a moment. It's got both a shower and tub combination, so no matter your preference in how to relax and get clean at the same time, you can take that bath if you want, bring your bubbles. Our next bedroom here is perfect for the kids or an extra person if you have staying with you. We have a full bunk on the bottom, twin on the top. Up to 3 people can sleep very comfortably in here. We have a full closet for you to keep all of your clothes in during your stay. Then we enter our master suite. So we have a queen bedroom here for our couples. So you can see we have quite a bit of space in here as well, and an attached bathroom for your privacy. This bathroom has a walk-in shower and plenty of space as well for you to get ready. We hope you enjoy your stay, and we are very much looking forward to having you.